Welcome, cosmic travelers, to another episode of Galactic Bible Stories, where ancient truths meet stellar tales. Prepare yourselves, for today we dive into the chronicles of a legendary figure, Solomon, the wisest ruler of the cosmos. In this galactic retelling, Solomon isn't just a king, he's a galactic peacemaker tasked with uniting warring alien civilizations across the stars. When Solomon ascended to the celestial throne of the combined stellar systems, he inherited a fractured universe. Civilizations light years apart were embroiled in endless disputes over hyperspace gates, dwindling stardust resources, and territorial spheres surrounding young stars. A lesser leader would have brought warships, but Solomon brought wisdom, a weapon sharper than the finest plasma blade. It all began when two alien envoys from rival systems stood before Solomon aboard his flagship, the Celestial Ark. One hailed from the nebulaic Aurelian Alliance, a shimmering collective of bioluminescent beings. The other represented the Tetrax Dominion, mechanical constructs powered by quantum conscience. Both were accusing the other of sabotaging a core hyperspace gateway, a crucial artery of interstellar travel. The rift threatened to engulf their sectors in all-out war, dragging countless innocents into the abyss of conflict. Solomon, flanked by his trusted advisors and a mysterious artifact known only as the Crystal of Discernment, listened intently. The crystal, it is said, amplified the thoughts and emotions of nearby beings, offering clarity to those who sought understanding. The envoys presented their arguments with passion and certainty, each intent on proving their moral ascendancy. The galaxy watched live broadcasts of this trial, their hopes pinned on Solomon's decision. After hours of testimony, Solomon's voice echoed through the great hall of his ship. "Peace lies not in the words of accusation, but in the actions of restoration," he began. He suggested a test, a collaborative mission to neutralize an active cosmic storm near the Luminara cluster. This storm endangered numerous colonies on the fringes of both their territories. If these two warring factions could set aside their enmity to solve the crisis, they could prove their potential for coexistence. Despite initial resistance, the envoys agreed, though suspicion lingered in their holographic eyes and luminescent forms. Guided by Solomon's plan, fleets from both civilizations combined their strengths. Bioluminescent Aurelian engineers worked hand-in-hand with the pragmatic Tetrax technicians to construct a shield generator capable of dissipating the storm. During these tense 3 weeks of working together in the harsh environment of Luminara, unexpected bonds were formed between individuals of species that had known only mistrust and hatred for generations. What they returned with wasn't just a shield against the storm's fury, but a newfound respect for each other's capabilities. When they returned to Solomon aboard the Celestial Ark, both envoys spoke the same message. If we can overcome the storm of space, so too can we overcome the storms of our past. Solomon, with a knowing smile, deemed their collaborative success the first step toward a galaxy made whole. "Wisdom," he declared, "is not the absence of conflict, but the strength to turn division into unity." His decision to mediate rather than escalate rippled across the cosmos, setting a precedent for negotiation and understanding over war. And thus, Solomon's name became synonymous with peace and wisdom, not just on Earth but among the stars. Across the galaxy, civilizations would seek his counsel, his crystal of discernment becoming a symbol of unmatched judgment and hope. His efforts didn't just resolve disputes, they redefined what it meant to be a galactic community. So, fellow voyagers, the next time you gaze up at the cosmos, remember, wisdom doesn't only belong in the heavens. It resides in understanding others, even amidst the vast differences that separate us. Until our next journey through the stars, stay curious, stay compassionate, and never stop seeking the light.